Imagine making $500 a day on YouTube without showing your face, without fancy cameras, and without endless editing. Today, I'm revealing the Simple AI Whiteboard Hack that creators in the USA are using right now to turn simple ideas into serious income. This strategy combines ChatGPT for script writing, Doodly or VideoScribe for whiteboard animations, and Canva for thumbnails. It's fast, simple, and perfect for anyone starting a faceless YouTube channel. Pick a profitable USA niche: finance tips, productivity hacks, or tech explainers. These niches have high CPMs, meaning advertisers pay more per 1,000 views. Use ChatGPT to generate clear, engaging scripts. Then drop those scripts into Doodly or VideoScribe to instantly create professional whiteboard videos. Design eye-catching thumbnails in Canva. Thumbnails drive clicks, and clicks drive growth, especially in the competitive USA market. Upload consistently. With AI tools doing the heavy lifting, you can scale faster, monetize through ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships, and hit that $500 per day milestone. So if you are in the USA and looking for the perfect side hustle, this is it. Subscribe for more AI YouTube hacks and start building your channel today.